and I think I can tell we're good for a go because I can hear engine notes rising. Eyes on the lights, and they're away. We're away for heat number 4. Macy Hitter leads them away into turn 1. Looks like got a good start there, but also a good start for Ralf Jungling in the 94. As they head up the hill, and it is Ralf Jungling who's got into the head of this one. Macy Hitter in second, as there's the usual jostling for position as they head into Inkermans and down towards the downhill braking into Ashby. Jungling feels the need to go defensive as they go 2 wide, 3 wide, every which way wide, and that's very wide for the number 14. I think that's Aidan Mitchell going across the grass there. Can see, I think Zac Drummond's had a good start. Can see him just trying to go up the inside of somebody there into Rosier's, but the 45 is challenging for the lead here, and that's Ewan CHARMAN, who I think has got to the lead there, going around the outside into the boot, which is an unusual way to see an take executed here at Whilton Mill, but whatever works, Ewan CHARMAN does indeed lead. Zac Drummond did have a good start. He's in second. Henry Jocelyn is in third. Jamie Perilly in fourth. Fifth with Devon Nolan. Ralf Jungling's transponder had a bit of an issue. Shot to the top there, so it's Ralf Jungling in second, Zac Drummond in third, Macy Hitter, Henry Jocelyn, Jamie Perilly, Devon Nolan, Jack Plant, Joe CHEEK and Oscar TEUTEN round out the top 10, but rest assured that will change, as you can see they're going to Ashby already. Changes going up the inside there of Macy Hitter there, that looked like Zac Drummond, excuse me, going for a move there. See Oscar TEUTEN in the 77. See the number 5 as well. That's Kean. NAKAMURA-BERTA featured so prominently in the morning's running. CHARMAN, Jungling, Drummond, Hitter, Jamie Perilly in 5th, Devon Nolan in 6th, Oscar TEUTEN on 3 positions on that last lap. Got past Jack Plant, Henry Jocelyn, and Joe CHEEK, I believe, on that last lap. So really good stuff from Oscar TEUTEN. And the 51 is round, 51's round, and that's Hayden Eldridge, who's clearly had an instant there at the top of the hill, and he's going to need the attention of some of the marshals. Meanwhile, at the front, it's still Ewan CHARMAN in the 45. Or is it? No, it's not, sorry, we're looking at the battle there. That's the 40 of Jamie Perilly going through. That's in a battle with Ralf Jungling. Yes, it was the 40 going past the 94. So now Perilly up to 3rd place. Ewan CHARMAN, Zac Drummond, and Jamie Perilly in the top 3. Yellow flags out for the incident Christmas, which means Oscar TEUTEN needs to not go on the inside there. I'm not the one making the decision, but that looked worryingly close to an overtake on the yellows from where I'm sat, but we'll have to wait and see. Ewan CHARMAN, though, is doing everything he needs to do. In fact, he's 1.5 seconds up the road. You can just see him there going out of your shot. So he's got a fair old lead by the start of the Honda Cadet. Yeah, look over the shoulder. You must be wondering where everyone's gone. Zac Drummond still in second, and there's Oscar TEUTEN getting up into second, and look at that. That is NAKAMURA-BERTA firing up the inside of Jamie Perilly, or actually more up the outside, which then became the inside for the second part of the boot. So it's now Ewan CHARMAN, Zac Drummond, Oscar TEUTEN, Jamie Perilly, Kean, NAKAMURA-BERTA, Jack Plant, Ralf Jungling, Macy Hitter, Devon Nolan and Gustavs USAKOVS is now up into the top 10 as they head through Christmas once again. NAKAMURA-BERTA all over the back of Oscar TEUTEN here. There is your leader, Ewan CHARMAN. And then there's the battle for second, and NAKAMURA-BERTA looks like he's going to try the inside of TEUTEN's, and I think he'll have pulled that off. Yes, he has, indeed. So the number 5 card of NAKAMURA-BERTA now up to 3rd on the road, and behind them, nice little move there. I think that was Ralf Jungling on Jack Plant, was it? Behind them. So nice move there. Zac Drummond now has the close attentions of Kean, NAKAMURA-BERTA as they come round to begin lap number 6 with 3 minutes 20 on the clock, and sure enough, the number Nakamura-Berta has just set the fastest lap of the race at 3:48, so he is on a charge here, and here he is alongside Zac Drummond. He's going to surely hold it on the brakes on the inside. Indeed he does, neatly done. Nice stuff there from Kean. And he will now set about chasing down Ewan CHARMAN, who's been doing a great job at the head of this one. Pace that has very impressive at this point. It was Jack Black getting past Jamie Perilly was that move that I said we saw at Rosier's, so it's now Jack Black coming in 5th place. So there's your leader. Ewan CHARMAN, so that's how looks at 90 numbers. Ewan written across the back of his helmet, and it's that driver who has done 84 with the number 5 car. Zac Drummond is still holding 3rd. There's Oscar Cheeky in 77. Devon Nolan's on the move as well, as is Gustavs USAKOVS. They both got past Ralf JUNGLING on that last lap. Plenty of battle going on throughout the field. In fact, Wesley SWAIN just got past Ryutaro and SAKAI. And oh dear, who's that gone out wide? That is that TEUTEN? NAKAMURA-BERTA has pulled down the gap slightly. What's happened behind? That's still that bit of let's see who it is who went wide there. Oh, well, no, sorry, it was Zac Drummond. It was the 55 I saw there, Jack Blunt, not the 30. So Jack Blunt now in 3rd. Oscar TEUTEN, as he was, in 4th place. And then is Zac Drummond. And then behind him, look, there's the 23 of Ethian Simmons going past Wesley SWAIN, I think it was. There's a contact warning for Jack Blunt for what we just saw the aftermath of those using the last lap. Here is battle slightly further down the order. Right onto the back of Ewan CHARMAN. Over the line they go to begin lap 9. Towards the battle, so Wesley SWAIN and the signals going past. Nakamura-Berta just set the fastest lap of the race at 53.52. He's now right on the back of Ewan CHARMAN. And I don't want to take anything away from what CHARMAN's done so far in this race, but there's a feeling of inevitability, and that is the move made with Kean Nakamura-Berta now at the head of this field as the clock is doing a tick down. So now we've hit 0. It's going to be 1 extra lap when they next cross the line. And loads of battling still going on in the mid-pack though. Plenty of positions to still be worked out. And CHARMAN is here going to try and keep with Nakamura-Berta. He now has that pace setter ahead of him. Sometimes if you don't have a car with you to pace, you can lose pace. But here, look at this. Nakamura-Berta's having to go super defensive there. And CHARMAN is going to go to the outside. He'll get the undercut there. We'll get it again coming out there of the left-hand kick. Through Inkerman they go, and this is going to be Nakamura-Berta going very defensive again, and CHARMAN again is going to go for the conventional line, try and get the switch back. But Nakamura-Berta is wise to it, constantly. You can see how aware he is, showing great awareness here as he defends this position, firmly but fairly. Into the boot they come then for the last time, and it looks like it's going to be Kean Nakamura-Berta coming round to take his 3rd heat win of the day. Across the line he comes. Nakamura-Berta wins. Ewan CHARMAN puts in a very impressive drive for 2nd. Jack Blunt finishes 3rd. Oscar TEUTEN in 4th. Zac Drummond in 5th. Jamie Perilly had a brilliant last lap. Managed to get up to 6th. Ethian Simmons in 7th. Gustavs